What if one tiny upgrade could completely transform every drive while making fellow drivers smile? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we reveal 7 amazing car interior LED lights and funny finger gesture signs worth buying. Watch until the end, then grab your favorites through the links in our description. A single upgrade can completely change how your car feels before the engine even starts. That's exactly where these interior car LED strip lights app control make an unforgettable first impression. Many drivers worry that ambient lighting will look cheap, uneven, or be difficult to install. This 5-in-1 RGB kit removes those concerns with 16 million color choices, a 236-inch fiber optic strip, and simple app-based customization. Switch from a relaxing glow to energetic music sync lighting in seconds without touching complicated controls. The interior car LED strip lights app control system creates a cleaner, more premium atmosphere for daily commutes, road trips, and late-night drives. Compared with basic USB LED strips, the fiber optic design delivers a smoother, more factory-inspired appearance across the cabin. Installation takes patience, and hiding the wiring may require extra effort, but the finished result feels worth it. If you enjoy personalizing your vehicle or want an affordable luxury-inspired interior, this lighting kit delivers style, atmosphere, and everyday enjoyment every time you drive. Imagine stepping into your car and watching the cabin instantly transform into your own personalized light show. That small upgrade can completely change every drive. The GoV car LED lights make that feeling effortless. Many drivers worry that interior car LED strip lights app control systems are difficult to install or offer limited customization. GoV removes those frustrations with simple app controls, vibrant RGB effects, DIY mode, and music mode that reacts to every beat. The clever 2-line design keeps wiring cleaner than many traditional 4-strip alternatives, creating a neater interior without sacrificing brightness. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or showing off your ride at night, the lighting feels immersive without becoming distracting. Compared with basic remote-controlled LED kits, the app delivers far greater flexibility and creative freedom. The only drawback is that setup takes a few extra minutes to hide cables perfectly. If you enjoy customizing your vehicle, creating a unique atmosphere, or simply want reliable interior car LED strip lights app control, this upgrade delivers excitement every single journey. Imagine transforming every nighttime drive with nothing more than light. That's exactly the feeling these GoV car lights create from the moment they switch on. Many drivers buy interior car LED strip lights app control systems only to battle weak brightness, tangled wiring, or limited color choices. GoV approaches things differently. Its Rigbic technology produces vibrant multicolor effects across 72 LEDs, while the 2-line design keeps installation cleaner and your cabin less cluttered. The app unlocks DIY lighting, scene modes, music synchronization, and remote control without feeling complicated. Daily commutes suddenly feel more personal and enjoyable. Compared with basic single-color LED strip kits, GoV delivers richer animations and far greater customization. The downside is that advanced features depend on the mobile app, which may take a few minutes to explore. Even so, setup remains beginner-friendly. This interior car LED strip lights app control solution is ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, car enthusiasts, and anyone wanting an upgraded cabin atmosphere without expensive modifications. Every drive ends feeling noticeably more memorable. Before a single song plays, your car can already reveal your personality, and that's exactly why lighting matters. Many drivers worry that interior LEDs will look cheap, create tangled wiring, or fade after weeks of use. This smart RGB 48 LED car interior light changes that experience with a clean 2-line design, simple car charger installation, and responsive app control. Adjust colors instantly, create custom DIY scenes, or let music mode transform every drive into an energetic atmosphere. Unlike basic remote-controlled kits, these interior car LED strip lights app control offer greater customization without hunting for a tiny controller. The soft ambient glow enhances late-night trips without becoming distracting. The downside is that app setup may take a few extra minutes, and maximum brightness can reflect on glossy surfaces in smaller cabins. If you enjoy road trips, daily commuting, or simply want a fresher cabin without expensive modifications, this upgrade delivers impressive style, practical convenience, and a driving experience that feels exciting every single journey. Imagine transforming every nighttime drive with a splash of color in under 10 minutes. That's the unexpected charm of the OPT7 Aura RGB interior car lights with remote control, 4PC LED strips kit. Many drivers hesitate because cheap interior lighting often peels off, creates uneven brightness, or leaves tangled wiring behind. This kit approaches things differently. The flexible LED light strips tuck neatly beneath the dashboard, while the included 12 volts car charger keeps installation refreshingly simple. Even better, the sound sync lighting reacts to your favorite music, turning routine commutes into a more immersive experience. Remote control makes switching colors and lighting modes effortless without distracting adjustments. Compared with basic single-color LED strips, the Aura RGB system delivers greater customization and a livelier cabin atmosphere. Still, if you prefer an ultra-minimal factory appearance, colorful ambient lighting may not match your taste. For drivers, rideshare owners, and anyone wanting a stylish SUV or car interior upgrade without complicated installation, this kit delivers lasting enjoyment every mile. A simple glow can completely change how a drive feels, and that surprise catches most people off guard. Many drivers want a premium cabin atmosphere but worry about complicated installation, uneven lighting, or cheap-looking LED kits. That's where the Yushop interior car LED strip lights make a noticeable difference. This RGB 5-in-1 car ambient lighting kit transforms an ordinary interior with 16 million colors, music synchronization, and flexible fiber optic lighting that creates a clean, modern look. The wireless app and RF remote make changing colors effortless, while USB or hardwired installation gives flexibility for different vehicles. Compared with basic 4-strip LED kits, the extended 236-inch fiber optic design delivers a more seamless ambient effect across the cabin. The only drawback is that careful cable routing takes extra patience for the cleanest finish. If you enjoy night drives, car meets, or simply want a more personalized interior without spending luxury car money, this interior car LED strip lights, RGB 5-in-1 car ambient lighting kit is a rewarding upgrade that makes every journey feel refreshingly different. A tiny light can completely change the mood of a traffic encounter, and that's exactly why this clever gadget stands out. The car finger light with remote transforms ordinary communication into something playful, visible, and memorable. Instead of awkward hand signals through the windshield, you can display a friendly wave, a heart, or a humorous gesture with a simple remote press. Many drivers hesitate before buying novelty car accessories because they worry about weak brightness, difficult installation, or limited usefulness. This glow hand LED hand gesture sign tackles those concerns with easy mounting, bright illumination, and quick remote control. It's an excellent fit for commuters, rideshare drivers, truck owners, and anyone who enjoys adding personality to their vehicle. Compared with basic LED message boards, this gesture light is faster to operate and far more entertaining, though it offers fewer customizable messages. If you prefer practical communication mixed with humor, this accessory delivers genuine everyday enjoyment. Sometimes the smallest upgrade creates the biggest smile on the road.